Rock from Jersey Jim Fish in celebration and anticipation of fishing for Tautog. Tautog again. I'm gonna make myself a sand flea rake, and instead of spending 80 bucks for it, I'm gonna fabricable this, some zip tines, and maybe this. I don't know. I'm gonna produce the first prototype today, and when I get some headway, I'll show you what I'm doing. Alright, here's what I got so far. It's pretty crude, but I think it's gonna work. I think it's gonna definitely work. I'm thinking squaring it off on the bottom is gonna make more attachment points for the wire. Round is difficult to work with wire that has squares. So let me cut the sides and be right back. Here's one side, and I just kind of traced the outline of it, overlapped it a bit, and cut these relief pieces here so that this can be folded down, because this is going to receive a lot of stress here. That's what I'm thinking anyway. And kind of did the same thing up top. I'm going to fold this tab here because this is going to be like the cutting edge here. So I left that a bit long, and I'm going to fold that this way and then zip tying it across this way. Actually, you know what, maybe I can bend it right now and show you what I mean. So this one's going to go this way. This one's going to go down that way. Like that. This one's going to go that way, obviously. And I'll be able to get, be able to stitch it together with the zip tines, and that will be the end of the sand flea rake. Hell yeah, I think this is going to work. I mean, it might not work for season after season, but I will be able to pick one up. I just need it for the near future. But let me zip tie this end together, cut the reliefs in the other side, zip tying it all together, and I'll show you I guess the end product. It's going to be awesome. All right, there it is. The sand flea, the Ghetto sand flea rake. I think it'll work for the remainder of this season anyway. It's a beautiful thing. $12. That cost me $12 to make. Next year I will be buying the $87 proper sand flea rake, but hell yeah, I got it covered for Sunday. Today's Wednesday, and I don't know. I think we got a hurricane coming up the coast, so maybe Sunday doesn't happen. But right now I'm gonna cook the Tautog I caught the other day. I'll see you in a minute. Hell yeah. Alright, time to go talking. Right. So here we go.
Yep, so here we go.
This is Tautog Tempura. It's gonna be awesome. I think I have enough. I almost cooked both fillets. Probably better that I didn't. And I got some of Mom's homegrown sweet potatoes. It's Tautog. It's sweet. It's mild. Very crab or shellfish like. Great texture, kind of meaty. The thyme really makes this. Really makes this recipe. Oh yeah. I think this might be the last hot day that we have, and it's hot. It's what's today's date? 10/10, October 10th. Cold front coming through. A hurricane coming up the coast. Friday is the next day that I have off. Today is Wednesday, and that's the next day I'm gonna have to try out the sand flea rake. I might have to drive all the way down there just to try out the sand flea rake and get blown off of the jetty. Triggerfish. The next movie is going to be Triggerfish. I am not leaving the next time I go down there until I catch Triggerfish. Spent 13 hours on this day to catch this Tautog, to meet Sand Flea Scott and Mad Tog Mike. Mad Dog Matt. But that's it. That's the end of this probably rather long movie. I appreciate you watching. If you got to this point, kudos. Awesome. Appreciate it. Hit like, share, subscribe if you're not subscribed. If you are subscribed, thank you. Buy a piece of artwork from me. And as always, have a wonderful day. Thanks for watching and cheers. That's a damn good sweet potato. Thanks, Mom. See you again real soon.